Ka Fete, guys, and welcome back to my channel, Just Arii. So today it's going to be another cooking video. That's what I have in store for you. We're going to be making pork chops in a mushroom sauce. So I'm very excited to try this. This is going to be my first time. So here are the list of ingredients you're going to need to make that pork in a mushroom sauce, along with a few pictures. Just Arii. Part 1, preparation. Before you do anything, you want to make sure that you thoroughly rinse your meat in warm water and vinegar. Next, you want to make sure you start chopping your peppers, your scallions, your onions, garlic, whatever you need to chop. Get that preparation done before the actual cooking process begins. Just Arii. Just Arii. Just Arii. After you've rinsed the meat and thoroughly washed it, it's time to season it up. Yay, now we're getting to the fun part. It's time to start cooking. First, you want to put a little bit of oil in a pan that's already hot and some butter. Let that cook a little bit. Then you want to add your garlic, onion, peppers, scallions, all that good stuff so you can start cooking those pork chops. When it becomes fragrant, it's time to add your pork chops to the frying pan, and you want to keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Make sure it's thoroughly cooked, and you want to flip ever so often. After cooking, you want to set all the pork chops aside. Now it's time to work on that delicious mushroom sauce. You guessed right, it's sauce time. Who's got the sauce? We've got the sauce. So you want to start with some oil and butter in your pan, your garlic, some scallions and peppers, and then you want to add those mushrooms in. Doesn't that look good? Stir that up, let that steam for a little while. Now you can add some half and half. You're gonna pour. You wanna make sure there's enough to cover the amount of meat that you have. Adding a little bit more peppers and scallions. Then it's time for the onions. And you're just gonna let that cook down for a bit. After that, you want to lightly season, very lightly, because remember your pork chops are already seasoned. You don't want to have too much sodium. Some more mushrooms. Add a little bit of cheese, just a little bit, and this is not an Alfredo sauce. And for me, for color, I add a few drops of yellow food coloring because I wanted that light yellow. Now you want to add that baby spinach to the mix. Cook down for a few. And now it's time to add your cooked pork chops. Looks so good. So you want to place all of them in that pan. Granted, I do need a bigger pan, but this is fine. I made it work. Swirl it around a bit. You want to cover it, put it on low heat. Stir ever so often. And you just leave it for a little while. When you uncover it, you see that everything is... Oh, it looks so good. And it smelled amazing. Yum. Now it's ready to serve. This is it all plated. It's so good. You have to try this. You will not regret it if you try this dish. Pork chops in a mushroom sauce. Perfection. This is the end result. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye.